The Gordon GL 1800 side trike is a custom-built luxury trike powered by a Honda SE47E engine, delivering 109 horsepower and 161 Newton-meters of torque. It features Gordon's multi-link IRS suspension, custom ventilated rear disc brakes, and a spacious trunk. Measuring 2,950 mm long and 1,750 mm wide, it seats two comfortably. Its standout design includes wide-body fender extensions, 18-inch wheels, and a delta wing profile. Owners can personalize it with 20-inch wheels, quad mufflers, LED lights, and premium audio, making each trike a unique blend of power, style, and comfort. The Eahora M1P Pro is a powerful electric motorcycle with dual battery support, offering a standard 60V42Ah battery and an optional 60V50Ah upgrade. Its 4000WQS motor reaches speeds up to 50 miles per hour, while the advanced suspension and durable steel frame ensure a smooth, reliable ride. Safety features include dual hydraulic brakes, parking gear, power-off kickstand, and vacuum tires. With dual displays, a phone charger, and bright lighting, the M1P Pro is ideal for both urban commutes and outdoor rides. The Teverun Tetra is a powerful electric scooter available in dual or quad motor versions, with each motor rated at 1500W, 2500W peak. It supports up to 150 kilograms and features 13-inch off-road tires, spring suspension, and a 60V60Ah battery for a range of up to 200 kilometers, capable of climbing 30-degree slopes. It combines performance with comfort. Its sleek black design and 12-hour charging time make it ideal for both urban and off-road adventures. The Go FS200 is a high-performance electric cargo bike designed as a smart city car alternative. Powered by a Bosch Performance CX motor with 85 Newton-meters of torque, it reaches speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour, even when fully loaded. Key features include dual cable steering, powerful Mura disc brakes, and a weatherproof canopy with removable windows. Its Nvialo automatic gear hub ensures smooth shifting, and the bike offers a range of up to 125 kilometers, ideal for daily errands and long rides. The BYD Yangwang U8 is a powerful plug-in hybrid SUV with a 1,000 kilometers range and 4-motor independent drive delivering 1,200 horsepower and 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.6 seconds. Built on the E-platform with the DUSP hydraulic body control system, it offers features like tank turn, tire blowout stabilization, and emergency flotation for extreme off-road capability. Inside, it boasts a luxury interior with OLED displays, Nappa leather seats, and premium audio. Fast DC charging and VTL support make it perfect for adventure and comfort. The BAC Mono is a lightweight, high-performance single-seater sports car weighing just 580 kilograms with a carbon fiber body. Powered by a 2.5L four-cylinder engine producing 305 brake horsepower, it offers a stunning power-to-weight ratio of 525 brake horsepower per ton. With advanced suspension, precise steering, and FIA-compliant safety features, it delivers exceptional handling on road and track. The cockpit includes a carbon fiber steering wheel with a digital display and racing harnesses, while bespoke options add a touch of luxury. The Auto Polaris Slingshot is a head-turning three-wheeler powered by a 2.0L ProStar engine with 178 horsepower and 120 ft-lbs of torque, reaching up to 125 miles per hour. Its lightweight build and rack-and-pinion steering offer agile handling, while features like ABS, stability control, Rockford Fosgate audio, LED lighting, and Apple CarPlay enhance safety and comfort. With bold color options and sleek design, it delivers a unique and thrilling driving experience. The Bugatti Baby II is a 75% scale electric replica of the classic Type 35, blending heritage with modern performance. Available in base, Vitesse, and Persang versions with up to 10 kilowatts of power, it offers multiple driving modes and a top speed of 45 miles per hour. Hand-built using a 3D scan of the 1924 original, it features authentic Bugatti details and delivers a unique mix of luxury, history, and electric driving. The Veehop 22 HOP is a foldable 4WD ATV with a powerful 6000W motor, capable of climbing 45% slopes and handling up to 440 pounds. Its adjustable suspension, 4.5 to 8.5 in travel, ensures a smooth ride on varied terrain. Modern features include NFC or smartphone unlocking and a 0.99-inch display. With optional add-ons like a cargo trailer or rear rack extender, it offers customizable versatility for off-road adventures. The Donkervoort D8 GTO-JD70 is a high-performance super sports car powered by a 2.5L turbocharged inline-5 engine producing 415 brake horsepower and 384 lb-ft of torque. With a remarkable power-to-weight ratio of 611 brake horsepower per ton, it offers thrilling acceleration and agile handling. Featuring a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, it delivers an engaging driving experience. Blending performance with efficiency, the JD70 is a masterpiece of engineering for true driving enthusiasts. The Morgan Plus 4 CXT is an off-road ready version of the classic sports car, built in collaboration with Rally Raid UK. It features rugged upgrades like a reinforced chassis, bespoke suspension, and a 5-piece underbody protection system. A rear equipment rack with Pelican cases and toolboxes offers ample storage, while interior additions like a RAM mount track and first aid kit boost practicality. With its hardtop and overland styling, the CXT blends Morgan's craftsmanship with true off-road capability. The Rad Power RadRunner 3 Plus is a versatile electric bike ideal for urban commuting, featuring a 750W rear hub motor and a 14Ah battery with a range of 25-45 plus miles. It offers a comfortable moped-style seat, integrated rear rack, 120 pounds capacity, Tektro hydraulic brakes, Shimano 7-speed derailleur, and a 60mm suspension fork. The Rezvani Vengeance Military is a luxury SUV built for extreme security, featuring bulletproof armor, explosive protection, and options like smoke screens, run-flat tires, and thermal night vision. Powered by a standard 6.2L V8, with optional turbo diesel or supercharged V8, it offers a 7-passenger interior with heated leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and advanced tech including AR navigation and Apple CarPlay. Starting at $285,000, it combines military-grade protection with high-end comfort and convenience. The DTV Shredder is an all-terrain electric vehicle combining elements of a tank, skateboard, and stand-up jet ski. Now electric, it features dual 20 kilowatts motors, zero-turn capability, reverse gear, and up to 2 hours of runtime. Controlled via the DTV Rider app, it allows customizable speed and torque. Its track system and articulated suspension ensure smooth, powerful rides across any terrain, making it a versatile choice for outdoor adventure. The GMC Hummer EV is a bold electric supertruck featuring Neptune blue matte paint, 18-inch beadlock-capable wheels, and the extreme off-road package. It offers advanced tech like Super Cruise, one-pedal driving, and Reagan on Demand. Powered by GM's Ultium battery with up to 350 kilowatts fast charging, it also supports AC home charging. With four-wheel steering and a luxurious interior, the Hummer EV 3X Omega Edition blends power, innovation, and style for an exceptional off-road experience.